Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to move knights across the scoring track in Torres board game. If you don't want to make any more moves in your turn and you have action points left, then you can use one action point per one step on the scoring track. So let's say in my turn I don't want to make any more moves. I don't want to place any knights, move knights, place building blocks, buy action cards, etc. Then I can do one step on the scoring track for one action point. And let's say the green player doesn't want to, for example, do anything with their action points, then they can move from 0 to 1. And if they had 2 action points and not 1 left, then they can move to the 2. So one step costs 1 action point. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.